welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation, marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we're doing something a little bit different. So on the docket for today afternoon, I am taking a financial literacy course with the Financial Diet. I've never taken a course with them before. This one was pretty inexpensive, but I want to do a short review of that course as well. Then we're also going to talk about social media strategies and how to choose a social media strategy. Because I kind of recently started going freelance, I really want to work on my own social media platforms as opposed to other people's platforms, which is what, most of my efforts have been focused on in the past. So I'm just going to talk about my LinkedIn and Instagram strategies, which are kind of the main strategies I'm going to be focusing on for myself, and why I pick those platforms and how you can go about picking platforms for your social media strategy as well. All right, so I'm going to go to a LA coffee shop because I need to be more productive today than I was yesterday. I don't know that many coffee shops in LA. I mostly work from home, but if you know any coffee shops in LA that are really good, preferably on the east side of LA, please let me know. So today I'm going through my social media strategies, and I want to talk a little bit about how I chose these social media strategies and kind of the steps I took and that you can take if you are either choosing a social media strategy or you're trying to figure out if your current strategy is the right one for you. So the first step is to research your target audience. You're really looking for factors showing that your target market is utilizing a platform and understands that platform very well, can engage with it, and can communicate clearly through that platform. I wanted to quickly talk about how to analyze a social media platform, and I'm going to use the example of LinkedIn and my own account and how you can go through a platform and try to figure out if your audience is using that platform and if it would be a good strategy for you to utilize as a business. I used to work in sustainable tech industry, to be broad. Okay, so let's try to look up some of our competition. Let's go to companies. So you can see here, this is likely a competitor of, if I were a solar roofing company, this is likely a competitor. We can see here that they have followers, they have employees on LinkedIn, so their employees are probably using the platform. You can see that they're posting fairly regularly, and that probably means that they're having an audience here. You can also see they have engagement metrics, so comments, shares, likes. So you're really trying to find signs that your audience is on the platform and that your competitors are having success on the platform. After doing your audience research, looking at your competitors, and kind of figuring out which platforms are best for your audience and industry, the last step is to determine some KPIs or key performance indicators that you are going to use to measure the success of your very first social media strategy. And this is a crucial first step to starting a social media strategy because you need some benchmark to gauge your success.
To know their personal financial situations. And so basically
Okay, just need to get comfortable and we can talk about this course. So yesterday I took the Financial Diet investment course. I thought it was really great. It was a good reminder of just like investing best practices, and they made it really fun. There was a really large audience and everyone was kind of talking in the chat. So it was really kind of interesting also just to people kind of put all their stuff out there and talk about their financial business. So it was kind of fun just hearing people's different situations. Highly recommend. It was only $15, so definitely well worth the money. I think it was technically 2 hours, but it went on for like 2.5 hours. But it was a really good reminder of just investing best practices. If you're like myself, you're a freelancer and you don't work for a company that's doing a 401k match. I just think it's good to be in the know and look out for yourself in that way. So highly recommend those courses. So we did something a little bit different with this video. I think I'll do more of these where I talk about other factors that are relevant to freelance marketing or marketing for small businesses, kind of that bootstrap marketing persona. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please leave a comment down below about what you would like to see more of or which part you liked, and subscribe. Bye. Thanks.